events also that's being awaited by almost all of the government units, and particularly the whole of the nation actually, about the next PNP chief. Kasi magre-retire na si Carlos, kung sinong papalit. Meron akong listahan, binigay niya, pero sabi niya, kung maaari lang, sabay na lang doon sa signing na not here, but it will be made public tomorrow. I will review the whole yung recommendation, pati yung ano ang nagawa nila. Yung the whole of the biodata ng mga contenders under the history of their previous na trabaho nila sa gobyerno. So, yun yan, bukas. Pero, yung isabong, umpisahan ninyo ngayon, but I leave it to Secretary Anyo kung kailan niya. It might be tomorrow, or at least by tomorrow night, or tomorrow in the afternoon, pag naano na yan, because it is immediately. Siya yung gumawa ng survey, he may give me the recommendation, and siya yung mag-announce because the PNP is under him. Yun lang siguro ang balita ko. But ang tao takot kung sino ang, hindi takot sa he must be one with a track record of performance. Balikan ko lang uli kasi ang Pilipinas kasi have a history of medyo magulo talaga para ang election. So, binabantayan nila kung sino yung maging PNP chief. I assure you that I will act upon the recommendation of this time kay Anyo pa rin, kay Secretary Anyo. Kung ano ang recommendation niya, yun ang masusunod. I do not side dito sa taas. I very seldom, can count into the fingers of your hands the number of times that I acted on my own without the recommendation of the respective departments kung saan yung problema nakadikit.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.